Home Show.
Robert from Sienna Plantation has a question about wheel worries.
And they're in this picture right here, Tom. Those sliding glass doors, Robert writes, on the back of the house are giving me trouble. To his indoor pool. I'm feeling bad for you, Robert. But anyway, he says some of the wheels on them need replacement. Who do I call to replace that kind of thing?
Glass Doctor.
Oh, really? This is something that a glazier would do?
People don't realize glass companies replace parts and pieces and tracks and things if they can still find the parts. Sometimes you can't, but lots of times they can. But it's a glass company, not a window replacement company. But unless you want a new doorway and all that, or door.
And you call Jim Fumey. He'll fix you up with that.
Well, he'll give you a beautiful door. I'm not giving it to you, but you'll end up with a beautiful door with new wheels.
Yeah. But if you want to fix that one,
yeah, it's Glass Doctor. It's a glass company here in town. You can go to HomeShowRadio.com. You can get their phone number. You can visit their website. Give them a call. They'll come out. They'll investigate. And those are the guys that fix those sliding glass doors with new wheels, rollers, locks. Even sometimes they have tracks that they can insert on top because the track wears out. So they can be repaired if the parts are available.
All right. Parts are always available for your questions because Tom has a ready stock of them in the catacombs of his mind. The home improvement mind of Tom Tynan.
Right.
Yeah. Visit HomeShowRadio.com and fill out that Ask Tom form. Send it in. We'll do a video just like this. We'll post it. We post them every day on our Facebook page, our website, and our YouTube channel. If you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, we'd really appreciate it. And when you're watching these videos, you're watching this one right now on YouTube, click that thumbs up thing. It helps us out. We'd appreciate it.